In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Tasks website PWA. If you've ever felt stuck managing tasks only from the sidebar in Gmail, this is going to feel like a breath of fresh air. Google now offers a standalone site for tasks, so you can work with your to-dos in a clean, dedicated space without opening your inbox first. To get there, open your preferred browser and head to tasks.google.com. That's it, you'll land directly on the Google Tasks website, ready to focus on what needs to get done. To make this even more convenient, you can turn Google Tasks into a desktop app using its progressive web app features. This gives you a dedicated icon you can pin to your dock or taskbar. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, choose Save and Share, then select Install Page as App. In Microsoft Edge, click the three dots, go to Apps, and select Install this site as an app. Once installed, pin it wherever you keep your everyday apps, so Tasks is only a click away and opens in its own tidy window, just like any other program. Now, let's get comfortable with the web interface. The standalone version offers a spacious, multi-column layout that you won't see in the sidebar, giving you a much broader view of everything you're juggling. On the left, you'll find the navigation drawer. Use it to switch between different views, like My Tasks, Starred, or any custom lists you've created. This is especially helpful when you want to separate personal to-dos from work items or quickly zero in on what's most important. Your lists appear as side-by-side cards across the main area. This card view is great for scanning multiple lists at once. You can drag and drop these cards to rearrange them, which is perfect for adjusting your priorities on the fly. If your workflow changes during the week, this is a quick way to reflect that visually. When a task feels too big, break it down with subtasks. Click a task to open its details, then click the three dots and choose Add a subtask. This helps you outline the smaller actions that roll up into the bigger goal, so progress feels clear and manageable. As you check off the subtasks, you'll see momentum build. Finally, make urgent items stand out by starring them. Click the star icon next to any task to send it to the starred view. This creates a focused shortlist of your highest priorities, no matter which list they originally belong to, so you can act fast without hunting around.